Hi everyone and welcome to Zoom. From K-pop ruling the VMA 2025 award nominations to Blackpink turning 9, it was a busy week for the Korean entertainment industry. In case you missed out on all the updates, here's looking back at everything that made news in the past 7 days. This week, BTS found itself in the middle of a controversy when a report claimed that the K-pop group has recorded an unreleased song by pop legend Michael Jackson. On August 3, several Irish publications started reporting that BTS has recorded an unreleased song by Michael Jackson as part of an upcoming tribute album for the pop legend. It was mainly the Irish Sun which reported that Jackson wrote many songs during the summer of 2006 in Ireland. It even claimed that BTS and some other music artists have participated in the tribute album for the songs that were never released during his lifetime. The claims were quickly disputed by the Michael Jackson estate, and even BTS agency HYBE quickly rejected the report. The entire controversy left ARMYs totally unhappy. The nominations for the MTV VMA Awards 2025 were announced amid a lot of excitement, and several Korean artists have received nods for the prestigious honors. Blackpink's Rosé continued her domination streak with her global phenomena APT featuring Bruno Mars getting nominated in 7 categories, namely Video of the Year, Song of the Year, Best Collaboration, Best Pop, Best Direction, Best Art Direction and Best Visual Effects. Meanwhile, Jennie, Lisa and Jisoo are fighting with aespa and Stray Kids for Best K-pop. This also includes BTS member Jimin's Who. Cat's Eye has been nominated for MTV Push Performance of the Year January 2025. The awards will telecast on September 7th. Big Hit Music is ready to shake up the K-pop scene once again. The BTS label is set to launch its highly anticipated new boy band, Cortis. On August 7, Big Hit introduced the group by launching their official social media platforms and dropping a creative teaser, giving fans the first glimpse of the group's name and concept. Cortis is composed of 5 members: Martin, James, Joohoon, Seungyeon and Gongho. Together they form what the label describes as a young creator crew, a team of teens who are set to redefine what it means to be an idol in 2025. The group name Cortis is an acronym for the phrase "color outside the lines," reflecting their boundary-pushing, rule-breaking identity. Cortis will officially debut on August 18th. Blackpink's Rosé has made history. Her Rosie has become the longest charting album by a K-pop female act on Billboard 200. Billboard revealed this week's chart of the most popular albums in the United States, in which Rosé's solo album Rosie had re-entered its top 200 albums list at number 168. Rosie has now spent a total of 27 weeks on the Billboard 200, breaking the record previously set by Blackpink's The Album and NewJeans Get Up, both of which charted for 26 weeks each. Her smash hit APT has also been placed at number 45 on this week's Billboard Hot 100, adding a total of 41 consecutive weeks. APT with Bruno Mars also continued to perform well, holding steady at number 7 on the global exclusive US chart and number 11 on the global 200 this week. Jungwoo Sung has married his non-celebrity girlfriend less than a year after Moon Gabi's secret child reveal and cheating scandal. Jungwoo Sung and his current girlfriend have registered their marriage with the local district office. This comes after Jung has been embroiled in a controversy over fathering a child out of wedlock since last year. In November 2024, it was revealed that the actor's secret child with model Moon Gabi existed despite him being in a long-term relationship with a non-celebrity who did not know about it. This led to shocking two-timing allegations against Jung. Song Yeon-kyu was found dead inside his car days after his DUI scandal. The actor, known for shows like Reply 1988, Love Scout, The Haunted Palace and more, was found unconscious by an acquaintance inside a car in a residential complex of Gyeonggi Province early on August 4th. Police later declared him dead and rejected any signs of foul play or finding any note at the scene. This comes less than 10 days after he was recently accused of drunk driving. After news about Song's drunk driving incident became public, he stepped down from his role in the play Shakespeare in Love. His new shows, The Defects and The Winning Try, also announced to edit out his scenes as much as possible. BTS members J-Hope and Jin have helped their agency HYBE in making huge profits with their individual world tours, Hope on the Stage and Run Sok Jin respectively. The touring revenue and merchandise sales of both J-Hope and Jin surged the company's second quarter in double-digit percentages. J-Hope performed at his 33-show Hope on the Stage tour, which sold nearly 500,000 tickets from February to June. He followed it up by headlining the Lollapalooza Berlin. On the other hand, Jin's first tour as solo artist encompassed an 18-show run in 9 cities. In fact, when the remaining BTS members completed their military term, the monthly users of its Weverse drove to an all-time high of 12 million users. Blackpink has turned 9. To celebrate the moment, its members Jisoo, Jennie, Lisa and Rose are putting out unseen photos on social media, evoking nostalgia among the Blinks. As Blackpink completes 9 years, its members are leaving fans emotional with their throwback photos and trip down the memory lane. Blackpink debuted on August 8, 2016 under YG Entertainment with the hit single album Square One, which featured the chart-topping tracks Boom Baya and Whistle. In the years since, the group has broken countless records, headlined Coachella, embarked on sold-out world tours, and released multiple global hits including Kill This Love, Do 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 Do, and Pink Venom. In a disheartening news, the 6-member girl group Purple Kiss has decided to disband. Purple Kiss's agency RBW released an official statement informing the disbanding of the group in November 2025 after concluding its group activities. It will, however, proceed with all previously scheduled promotions as planned. These include the release of an all-English album at the end of August, promotions in Japan, the US tour, and a final concert in South Korea. The group, comprising of 6 members, Nago Yoon, Dosi, Aire, Yuki, Chain, and Swan, debuted in 2021. It was originally a 7-member group, but Park Ji-yoon left the group in November 2022 due to health issues. Lovely Runner co-stars Byung-woo and Kim Hae-yoon continue to keep their friendship intact even after a year of the show's finale. Kim Hae-yoon recently supported Byung-woo by sending a coffee truck on the sets of his next Wife of the 21st Century Prince. Byung himself revealed it with a photo upload on his Instagram stories, tagging Kim and thanking her about her thoughtful gift. Byung is currently busy with the production of his new show, also starring IU. Last year, Lovely Runner broke all viewership records and made Byung and Kim global sensations. That's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.